I'm a member of parliament, and you'll wonder why we can't take our legislative proposals through our committees in parliament. It's because you know what has happened in those committees recently when they were reconstituted. Yeah, those committees are not inclusive again. They are just tools of Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto. So again, you can't depend on JRAC and CYUC, the Constitution Implementation Oversight Committee of Jeremiah Kioni, the other one of JRAC of Muturi Kikano. No, nothing. Those are just partisan tools. So what we need is to have a process of parliamentary parties that also recognizes that William Ruto has a constituency, and let him also have some representatives in that process. We come together, create first of all a roadmap to look at how do we introduce changes to the legislative processes, how do we negotiate the referendum bill that is before parliament, and how do we negotiate the referendum, the bill itself, I mean the constitutional amendment bill itself. So we can do it, but time is ticking, and I can see, and that's why I've called you today, that if we do not seize this movement and remove the partisanship that is creeping in, this country will regret. And the president talked about this country being in tatters because of the youth. Those youth are listening, they are watching, they are observing. One wrong move and we are going to regret why we didn't move in time and why we didn't let sobriety and reasonableness lead us.